60 seconds with Femi correct Pidgin Yanins. Now what they do? And yes, we don't show back. We don't come back again as English Premier League season don't come back. We got games from Friday, Saturday till Sunday yesterday. Sunday, Super Sunday. Now they call that one. Manchester United versus Chelsea for Old Trafford. Make we start with those ones because Man United carry Chelsea's crop for grand. Carry Chelsea play like saying as small children. Like saying an excursion they can do for Old Trafford. And we don't the reason Frank Lampard new career. Frank Lampard now they become their coach now be before and now he don't become Chelsea coach. You feel say Frank Lampard he go feel succeed for inside Chelsea. You believe say they no go sack him before match day 5. I want to know what you think of this one. If you be Chelsea fan, if you be Man U fan, una win yesterday. You say if you be Manchester City fan, una also win. You be Arsenal fan, you be Liverpool fan. What do you think about the new season? Players don't go from one club enter another club. What do you also think about the transfer where your club you don't make? This now the result of all the games that they play for inside English Premier League yesterday, on Friday and on Saturday.